Imagine if there was a way of speaking that would make any woman feel an instant connection with you, almost like magic. The truth is that some words have the power to trigger strong emotions, creating attraction, without her even realizing why. Today, I'm going to show you 6 secret phrases that arouse curiosity, desire, and an irresistible connection with women. If you've ever been ignored or put in the famous friend zone, this video could turn the tables for you. And pay attention until the end, because the last phrase is the most powerful of all, and most men never have the courage to use it. Phrase number 1, you have a different way about you. I like that. This phrase has an almost magical effect. As soon as you say it to a woman, her mind starts working, trying to understand exactly what it was about her that was so special. And guess what? She'll want to find out. The secret is in the mystery. You're not just giving her a random compliment. You're creating an intriguing doubt in her head, something that makes her want to know more about what you think her reaction may be. Immediate. How is it different? What exactly did you like about me? And that's where you set yourself apart from most men. Most men just compliment the obvious, like beauty or clothes. But if you go further, if you notice something more unique, the impact will be much greater. Think about it, women get compliments about their looks all the time, but when you mention something unexpected, something she might not even notice herself, you become someone who really grabs her attention. Here are some ideas: the way she speaks with energy or softness, the sparkle in her eyes when she talks about something she loves, little gestures like a small smile when she's nervous, the confident or spontaneous way she expresses herself when you say this naturally, looking her in the eye and giving her a slight smile. Something different happens. She feels like you really see her, and that feeling creates an instant connection. So the next time you're talking to a woman, give it a try. Drop this phrase at the right moment. Watch her reaction and see how the dynamic between you changes completely. Phrase number 2. I like women who know what they want. This phrase has a powerful impact because it's not just a compliment, it's a challenge. Unlike men who try to please at all costs, you're making it clear that you have a standard, that you value something specific. And this awakens something strong in her mind. Most guys seek approval, compliment her nonstop, and try to impress with exaggerated gestures. But when you drop this phrase naturally, something different happens. She feels the urge to prove that she fits that profile. Imagine the scene. She asks curiously, "What do you look for in a woman?" You stay calm. Give her a slight smile and answer without hesitation, "I like women who know what they want." Suddenly, the dynamic changes now. Instead of you chasing her approval, she's the one who starts to question herself. Am I that woman? Is he testing me? I need to show that I'm determined. This simple reversal makes her feel like she needs to stand out to be on your level. And the truth is that women are naturally attracted to men who have standards and know what they want, because this conveys confidence and maturity. When you say this phrase with conviction and calm, she realizes that you're not there just to flatter her, but to connect with someone who really fits what you value. Try it. Say it in the right tone. Watch the reaction and see how the game changes completely. Phrase number 3. That's what I like most about you. Instead of just giving her a generic compliment, like "you're beautiful" or "you're amazing," this phrase takes the conversation to the next level, the secret being specific and sincere. Now imagine this: you're talking, and in a spontaneous moment you look at her and say, "That's what I like most about you." Instantly her mind lights up. Curiosity kicks in. What did he notice about me? Why did he like that? Does he really see me differently? And here's the key to making this phrase really work. What you say next needs to be authentic. For example, "The way you talk about your passions is something I really admire. I like your energy. You have a strong presence. You have a very expressive look in your eyes. It seems like you always have something interesting going on in your mind. Why does this work make her feel special?" Everyone likes to be recognized for something beyond the obvious. It shows that you pay attention. Most men only focus on appearance, but you see something deeper. It creates an authentic connection. When someone notices unique details about us, we feel an immediate connection. Every woman wants to feel seen in a way that no one else sees her when you point out something that sets her apart. She not only feels special, but she begins to associate that good feeling with your presence. Try it, say it at the right moment. Watch her reaction and see how the connection between you naturally strengthens. Phrase number 4. I don't think you're ready for me yet. This is without a doubt the most powerful of all, and why it activates 2 irresistible psychological triggers. Fear of loss. People value more that which seems difficult to obtain. Scarcity. A man who values himself is not available to just anyone. Now imagine this. You're talking, the connection is flowing well, and then with a confident smile you say, I don't think you're ready for me yet. The impact is immediate. Her mind immediately starts racing. What did he mean by that? What do you mean I'm not ready for him? Wait a minute. I need to show you that I am. This phrase works because it completely turns the game around, instead of you trying to win her over. Now she's the one who feels the need to prove that she's worthy of your attention. But here's the secret. The right tone makes all the difference. Use this phrase lightly as if it were a joke. Keep a smile on your face, leaving an air of mystery in the air. Don't come across as arrogant or superior. The goal isn't to push her away, but to create a fun challenge. For example, if she says something provocative or brags about some quality, you could respond, interesting, but I don't think you're ready for me yet. Of course, she will want to prove otherwise, and the more emotionally involved she is, the more attracted she will feel. Use this phrase at the right moment and see how the dynamic between you changes. Phrase number 5. I don't know if you can handle me. This phrase has an instant effect because it challenges her ego in a subtle and playful way. Instead of trying to impress her or seek approval, you turn the tables and plant a doubt that she needs to resolve. Imagine the scene. You're talking, the chemistry is flowing, and at an opportune moment you blurt out, I don't know if you can handle me. The effect is immediate. Her mind races. What do you mean I can handle anything? What's so special about him now? I need to prove that I'm capable. This type of provocation gets her involved in the game. Instead of you trying to win her over, she starts to feel the need to challenge you to prove that she's up to it. Tip: use a relaxed tone with a slight smile. Say this when she tries to brag about something or when you're flirting. Don't explain it right away. If she asks why, this creates a sense of mystery and keeps her interested. Phrase number 6. I'm not that easy. Most men try to show that they're 100% available, always ready to please. This phrase breaks that expectation and makes her see you as a challenge, something every woman loves. Imagine she teases you, gives you a compliment, or hints that you might be too interested. Instead of confirming it, you just blurt out with a confident look, I'm not that easy. This changes her perception instantly now. Instead of feeling like you're already won over, she starts wondering, wait, isn't he falling for my tricks? So he's not like other guys now. I need to know more about him. This type of phrase creates a balance in the conversation. Instead of looking like you're trying to get her attention, you're showing her that you're valuable and that you don't give in so easily. Tip: use this phrase playfully without sounding cold or distant. If she insists and asks, oh really, and what do I need to do? Then logically just smile and say, maybe I'll tell you something day. This answer keeps the mystery going and makes her want to find out more about you. Conclusion: these 6 phrases can completely change the way women perceive you. Instead of just another guy trying to impress them, you become someone intriguing, confident, and hard to ignore. Now it's your turn to test it out. Use these phrases at the right time, lightly and naturally, and see the difference in how they react. If you've watched this far, thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips like these, and don't leave. Now, the next video is now live, and in it I reveal even more powerful secrets to help you master the art of attraction. See you there.